Good morning, everyone. I am Pramila, and we will demonstrate the proper way to reassemble a system unit. We'll walk you through each part and make sure everything is securely connected before powering it on.
We are the group 2.
So these are the components of system unit. This is the motherboard and the RAM.
And this is the system case, and this is the CPU pad.
This is the power supply and the CPU.
This is the SATA cable and this is the HDD.
So first step, prepare the parts and the workspace. So lay out all the components on the clean table and make sure the PSU is unplugged. So the second step is install the CPU in the motherboard and open the socket lever and align the triangle mark placed in the CPU and lock the lever. So this is the CPU. We put it in the CPU slot. So after we install the CPU, we install the RAM in the RAM slot.
One, two, three, go.
Put the motherboard into the case.
Next, install the power supply. Connect motherboard power cable. Pag nakabit mo yan, sabihin mo next para doon ako sa connect
Oh,
front.
sige, 1, 2, 3, go.
Connect front panel cables. Connect front USB and audio cable. Check all connection. Power on and test.
First, we need to open the computer case and remove the panel screw. Next, remove the RAM, push down the side clips, and gently pull the RAM out. Remove the CPU cooler, unplug the CPU fan, cable first, then unlock and unscrew the cooler. Twist it gently if stuck because thermal paste may it stick. Next, in removing CPU, lift the socket lever and carefully remove the processor. Hold it by the edge only. Remove the motherboard and screw and carefully lift it out. And the last one is remove the power supply and screw the PSU from the back of the case and take it out.